do. It'll take a long time. How about for Dash time, we make Dash clean it up. Okay, but what will we use to clean it up? There's one accessory that I think it's called the bulldozer accessory that we can use to clean it up. Then what will I do? Hey, how about we make one? Okay, but that'll take a long time. No, it won't. It'll take like 2 minutes. Okay. So let's go. Okay. There you are, Dash. So my Dash is ready. Mine too. So this is the bulldozer accessory I was talking about. And this is the attachment we made. We used Legos and some cardboard. I think my Dash can clean more than yours. Well, I made a good attachment, so I think it'll clean more. Well, how about we have a challenge? Sure. Whoever cleans the best and the most amount of Lego pieces is the winner. Okay. So let me show you how it works. So the first thing you need to do is learn where to find it. So to find it, look in this corner and search for the button called controller. That's where you can find this whole thing. So right now, this is the part we are using. This and maybe this. And also we're going to use the sounds. First thing we need to do is learn how to make it go forward and turn it different ways, like that. Ta-da! So this is to make it look in different ways. Do you want to give it a try? Okay. So put your iPad down here. Okay, now try. Try to get all of the trash into the Lego box. Challenge. So, who wants to go first? Can I go first? Sure. To see if I can clean all this into that before the time runs out. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Dash fell down, then my iPad, and then my brother went to get that iPad, but he fell down with it. Okay, so there were no winners, no losers, but so technically both of the attachments were great. They helped. There was a good side and a bad side. So I'm going to say the good side and bad side about my attachment. So the good side was that it's lighter and it can move easy, and it can get more Lego pieces into the to this part, then this thing can. And the bad part about it is that I can't move it up or down when a Lego piece gets stuck here. So I need to move like this to get that piece out. The good part about mine is that it can like carry some easily to here. But the bad part about it is that some get into here and it's hard for me to get them out. Yeah, because he needs to put it up. But even though when I go forward, it just gets stuck in my wheel. So that's why there are no winners, no losers. So we say it's a tie. Bye.